Anna.
And I'm Miss Amanda. And this month, we are going to be learning about Moses, Noah, Hagar, and Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. Wow. All these people were in tough situations, but they remembered that God is always with us. And when God is always with us, we can trust Him. And when we trust Him, we have peace. And when I have that peace, it makes me want to sing, even in the rain.
That reminds me, you know what our series is called?
Sing in the rain. Are you ready to worship? And let's learn more about trusting God. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's go.
Yay!
Sometimes I like to go outside. Sometimes I like to run and hide. But I know all the time, you are with me, always with me, because wherever I go, I know wherever I go, wherever I go, I know God is with me. Wherever I go, I know wherever I go, wherever I go, I know God is with me. Whoa, 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 with me, with me. Whoa, 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 with me. He's whoa, 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 with me, with me. God is with me. When I am playing in my room, it doesn't matter what I do, 'cause I know all the time, yeah, all the time, you are with me, always with me, because wherever I go, I know wherever I go, wherever I go, I know God is with me. Wherever I go, I know wherever I go, wherever I go, I know God is with me. Whoa, 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 with me, with me. Whoa, 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 with me. He is. Whoa, 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 with me, with me. God is with me. Whoa, 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 with me, with me. Whoa, 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 with me. Always. Whoa, 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 with me, with me. God is with me.
You know what time it is?
Time to hear a story full of wonder. There's so much fun we'll have learning together. So let's go down to the clubhouse with Ollie and his friends. Let's go down to the clubhouse where wonder never ends at the Wonder Clubhouse. At the Wonder Clubhouse.
Hello? Hello, can you hear me? Are you there? Oh, hello there, friends. Welcome to the clubhouse. It's me, Manny, and I'm happy to see you today. Can you believe it's still raining outside? It's been pouring for days and days now, but that doesn't mean we can't have some fun. Do you know what this is? It's a cup with a string on the end. This string stretches all the way across the yard into my house. My mom has another cup on the other end of the string. We're gonna try to hear each other through the string. Isn't that cool? Let's try it. Hello, Mom. Hello. Hello, Mom. Hello. Hello, Mom. Hello. Hello, Mom. Hello.
Hello, Manny. Can you hear me?
Wow, yes, Mom. We can hear you.
Who?
Hey, it's Ollie.
Hello, Manny. Who? Hoo! Hoo! Talking to your mom, are you?
Hi, Ollie. Yeah, I sure am. My mom and I are trying to hear each other through this string. And it really works. We can hear each other.
Cup phones are fun. Yes, it's true. But I know someone who always hears you. Just listen to this story. Just follow me through. Hoo! Hoo!
Follow me through, follow me through. Ollie's got a Bible story for me and you.
Okay, this one is for Mrs. Burkholz. Oh, and this one is for Mr. Jackson. Oh, hi, friends. I'm Justin the mailman. It's so good to see you. I'm just getting all of these letters ready for delivery. I love when people send cards like this. Having a great trip. Miss you. Love, Gigi and Gramps. It's so great. I love all of the different ways that we have to talk to each other. In fact, today's story is about how we can talk to God. Are you ready to hear it? I said, are you ready to hear it? Great. Let me just put the story mail in the mailbox. So our true story from the Bible begins in a desert. Have you ever been to a desert? Some are sandy and hot, like really, really hot. Let's all pretend we're in a desert. Oh man, it's so hot out here. Look at that sun. It must be 100 degrees. I'm sweating. Are you sweating? Let's fan ourselves. Whew. The desert is hot. Well, in today's story, in a hot desert, there was a mother named Hagar and her son. They look so tired, don't they? And hot. Now tell me, what do people need when they are hot and tired? Let's see if you can guess. Do they need a warm coat? Roller skates? Or a drink of water? A drink of water, that's right. Hagar and her son needed water, but they were out of water. Hagar didn't know what to do. They had no water to drink and couldn't walk any farther. Hagar's son started crying, and then Hagar started crying too. Everyone, let's cry with them. Boo-hoo, boo-hoo. Okay, we can stop. Great job. They were all alone in the desert and thirsty and hot. They thought no one could hear them crying. Except, tell me, who always hears us? God. That's right. God can always hear us. Just then, an angel spoke to Hagar from above. Everyone say, "Whoa! Whoa!" The angel told Hagar to not be afraid, that God heard her son's cries, and he was showing her where to find water. God loves us so much, doesn't he? He hears us no matter where we are. No matter where we go, God is with us. And we don't have to worry because God's got it. Oh, hey there, Ollie. Tell me, who's got it?
God's got it. Yes, it's true. Now let's hear it from you. Tell me, who's got it?
God's got it. That's the truth, friends. You better believe it. I'll see you next time.
So there's your story. It's all true. God heard the boy, and he will hear you too.
Thanks, Ollie.
Goodbye to you. Hoo! Hoo!
Wow, what a great story. God heard Hagar and her son and gave them just what they needed. And guess what? God hears us and helps us too. I think I got the story. Did you get it? If you did, say got it. Get it?
Got it!
Good. Do you know what the best part is? I don't need a cup phone to talk to God. He's always with me and always hears me, no matter what. Talk to you later, Mom. I'm gonna talk to God. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
God is with you wherever you go. Joshua 1:9. God is with you wherever you go. Joshua 1:9.